Hi, it's almost a month since we have opened after the lockdown. We have been appreciated for our sanitary measures and safety norms which we have followed inside the store. Today, we are showing you some very special premium Banarasi saris which has been specially created for Deepam by a master weavers. This sari is very special. It's a tussar Banaras. The body is very different. It is a tussar with a slight cozy feeling, and it has silver booty, and if you closely watch inside the butta also you have designs on it. It has a 3-inch silver border on the top, and it has a 12-inch silver border, and in the silver border you have a design which is very different. It's differently placed Mughal floral design with multicolor meena work on it, and the pallu of the sari is again different with multicolor meenakari work, and it has a lovely wonderful blouse. The blouse is brocade blouse, silver work with a pink color. Thank you. Hi, this is a Banarasi hand woven master crafted silk sari specially created by a master weaver for Deepam silks. The body of the sari is navy blue color, and it has got a geometrical peacocks with a meenakari work. It has got a small 2.5-inch border with a wavy design with a pink touch on it. And it has got a small cute pallu again with a wave design on it. The blouse is navy blue color with a small jari work on it. This is a very special sari specially created for Deepam by a master weaver.
Hi, today is Deepam's third sari of the day. It's a beautiful Banarasi pure gold and silver zari. It's a bridal Banarasi sari. The body color is beautiful yellow, and it has got a multicolor floral weaving. It has got nice pastel motifs. If you could see, it has got a beautiful pink, aqua, green. Throughout the sari, it has got a multicolor weaving, Resham weaving, pure gold and silver zari. And the border is a very beautiful border. It has got creeper design. It is very intricately done. The pallu is beautiful solid gold floral weaving design, and this is the blouse. The blouse is plain with a solid floral weaving border. This border you could use for sleeves and for your back. It is Deepam's designer Banaras bridal collection.
Hi, this is Deepam's premium Banarasi bridal sari specially created for the bride, special bride. Body is very unique. It's a bridal red color, and in the body you have modern and traditional design. We have the traditional mangoes, and we have the modern flowers in it, and it has got multicolor bright resham work on it. The sari is very difficult to weave. It takes more than 2 months to weave this sari. We have used 14 colors in the weaving. You could see blues, pink, green, purple, light blue, light green, dark green, Totally 14 colors have been used for this sari in the body. This is a very, very special sari. And the border is a two-part border. One part has got a traditional diamond design and flower inside, and the other part of the border has got a zigzag design on it. And it has got a 30-inch traditional and pallu, which is a typical Banarasi pallu, and the blouse is pure bridal red with a jari border. This sari has been specially created keeping the special bride in mind for Deepams by a master weaver.
Today's fifth sari of the day, Deepam's designer Banarasi silk sari. The body is misty rose pink with a beautiful pulkari, pastel, resham and gold weaving. The entire sari has got a pulkari design and it has got a beautiful border. The border is very intricate design with a beautiful gold zari, and it has got a rich pallu, whereas the pallu is a very beautiful solid gold pallu with a floral design, and it has got a nice blouse, whereas the blouse is plain with a beautiful border where you can use this border for your sleeve and for your back.
Hi, this is our sixth sari of the day. This is our pure Banarasi hand-picked sari. This is very, very beautifully contrast, elegant Banarasi silk sari. The body is very unique, colorful with the mixture of turquoise and green, two-tone shades of body. The design of the body, it is very different. You can see circular motif with paisley design. Inside the circle there is a kadwa buttas. The border comes in fuchsia pink, which has a traditional Banarasi floral design. The pallu is about 30-inch, which has big paisley design. Inside the paisley there is a beautiful floral creeper design, and there is a blouse which comes very elegant with a traditional Banarasi zari border.
Hi, today's seventh sari of the day. It's a beautiful premium Banarasi silk sari. The base color, the body color is fuchsia pink tanchoi resham weaving. Throughout the sari it has got a resham weaving, and it has got a contrast border, whereas the border is fancy border. It is a natural tussar contrast border, and the other border is a double border, whereas one border has got a resham weaving border and another border is zari border, whereas silver and gold natural tussar border, and this is the pallu, whereas the pallu has got a beautiful contrast ivory natural tussar border, whereas the border, if you see in the pallu, it has got three different partition. One is gold zari and the other one is two different motifs. One is of resham and the other one is gold zari and silver zari, and it has got a contrast tussar border blouse, and this is the border. Hi, today's 8th sari of the day. This sari is a very, very special sari at Deepam. This is a beautiful Banarasi premium collection. The body color is beige with a nice creeper pastel weaving. The entire sari has got a purely beautiful pastel weaving. Each motifs, if you see, they are very nice, very neatly done, like green, lavender, blue, pink. It's a very beautiful body design, and it has got a contrast border, whereas the border is silver and gold pure zari. It has got handcrafted beautifully done, and it has got a beautiful pallu, whereas the pallu is very attractive. It has got diamond shape in it with a solid thick gold, and it has got a contrast blouse. The contrast blouse is beige with a nice ivory touch in it. Hi, today's ninth sari of the day. By itself, the color is the mind-blowing, beautiful, awesome peach. The body is beautifully handcrafted premium gold zari. It is given 4 different twist in the zari. If you see the zari by itself, it has got silver and antique gold. The entire sari has got a beautiful zari weaving, and it has got a nice solid border, and it has got a beautiful, very rich premium gold zari pallu. This is the blouse, a nice pastel peach premium pure gold and silver zari.
Banaras is the queen of weaving of India. The finest and the best and the loveliest saris are manufactured in Banaras. Deepam has got the best Banarasi master weavers, which they create special saris for Deepam. This is one of the most unique and premium collection of Banarasi sari in Deepam. This is the 10th sari of the day. The sari is very unique. If you look at the body, it has got this design is called Rankat design. It is a diagonal design. And if you see this weaving, what is so special about it, it has got a diagonal designs, and we have used 7 colors on it. 7 different colors which are running diagonally, and the motifs, you have a geometrical motif inside and the traditional floral and paisley motifs on the borders of the design. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different colors we have used, and each and every time the color changes, the weaver has to completely change his cards. This is a very special design. It takes more than 70 days or 80 days to complete this design. The entire family of the weaving, they sit together and make this sari. This sari is very unique, and they have specially created for this season at Deepam. Deepam, we have the finest of the Banarasi saris. So please do, when you need something very exclusive, please do come to Deepam for your exclusive needs. Done? Good.